Hello everyone, Maya here, and I'm excited to have you with us today. If you manage a business property, your roof deserves more attention than you think. A dependable roof helps protect operations, inventory, employees, and customers. That's why many property owners trust Incore Restoration Group, LLC for expert solutions. Their commercial roofing in Ann Arbor, Michigan services focus on durability, performance, and value. From inspections to repairs and full roofing projects, every detail matters. A strong roofing system can help reduce disruptions and unexpected expenses. The team works with professionalism, clear communication, and quality craftsmanship. Looking to strengthen your property's first line of defense? Visit www.incorerestorationgroup.com to learn more. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back soon with another helpful business spotlight.